So guys, Umusa Khawula came out nama allegations ukuthi the bongs uyachitha uchithela DJ Zinhle with UK's and students. Her name is Kimberly, this and that. So everyone is just talking about it. People were commenting about it. And then on Spreading Humors, Sima, Yanda and Zile were also having a chat about this. And Sima said this. And you people came for her.
Oh. And he seems like such a decent guy. I'm so upset.
Exactly.
He seems like such a decent guy.
You
Like
wouldn't
you look at
expect.
him and you're like, what's in that Omarashem? What's Zinhle won here? Kandi Inja. Oh shit.
Wait, but where's the proof that he cheated? Because
Yes.
I've been seeing all these things circulating online, but I haven't seen any proof.
But you don't need proof. DJ Zinhle is not denying anything. She's just saying it hurts. Yes, I'm letting go. Because Shuti, it's true.
And you know what sucks? When she was pregnant, Bonang bricked her. So now for
Bonang
this
what?
to happen, bricked her like Umshangestin.
Oh.
So for her to be going through like when I Queen B. Oh.
More AK.
Yes, so for her to be going through this publicly again, it's not nice. Can Zinhle please get a break?
Can she get a break?
Please.
She looks like a lovely lady. I won't lie.
Yes, bro.
She looks like I remember
a very decent lady. Trended for the lots of snacks. Oh, I murder. Oh, I humble spinelale.
Yeah, guys, sibiza abafana ngezinja almost every day, but again, let's go through the comments. Utilona Sima Osabuwa Fela these days. Why is she talking like this if DJ Zinhle decided to keep quiet about this whole situation? Sima wa papa. Atilona DJ Zinhle is a lovely lady. Yes, she is. Y'all have an issue with everything that Sima says. If it was someone else who called DJ Zinhle's husband a dog, you wouldn't be complaining. Ah, man, let's see my breath. Trust a woman who went back over and over to her cheating boyfriend. Agame usisi. Zinhle naye uzokwenza kubonayo ngesikhathi sakhe. Yeah. I guess my babes. Bakhuluma ngawe la. Only Zinhle is supposed to call him Inja. But the word Inja doesn't have the weight anymore. It simply means wow. Zinhle mustn't take it personal. People say Amadoda is Inja all the time. And exactly what I was saying. We say this almost every day. Abafana nje sibabiza ngezinja because they kill us shame. What is wrong with Sima, guys? Yo, ngeke Sima. Wathi ukuthela kangaka sis, calling someone's husband ngenja. You were too comfortable indeed. But it's not your place to call indoda yomuntu inja. Uyapapa Sima. Have you heard DJ Zinhle calling him inja? Ayisisi ngeke. Yo. I told you guys people were coming for Sima. Guys, Sima was angry on Zinhle's behalf. I get calling bongs inja is wrong, but I kinda get where Sima comes from. Inkinga lana ukuthi there is no proof. That is the problem. There is no proof yokuthi umeda uchithe ngempela. That's the problem. Calling someone's husband a dog without proof that he cheated, yeah, ne? Imagine being judged by someone that's fainted for a rented car. Uze uthi yinja indoda yabantu isibindi. This Sima girl is not my cup of coffee. I don't care who says what. Oh, okay. Sima needs guidance. She's destroying her brand herself. Yeah, somewhere, somehow, it's... Yeah, engathi ukhuzwa njalo naye. Yo, engathi nje usekhuzwa njalo. Usenza kakhulu manje, mele sikwehlisa kancane. Uthi lona, I'm tired of defending Sima. Guys, nikwatelani because Sima is defending uZinhle. Yes, uyamdefenda impela. I think abantu badinwe ile part leyo ukuthi athi uyinja. Ileyo nto leyo edina abantu kakhulu. Uthi lo respect Zinhle nina ingane. Yeah. Yo, Sima doesn't learn. Yo, guys, I hope Sima uzofunde emaphutheleni akhe, guys. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you on my next video.